Everyone's scared AI is going to take their job. And honestly, for most people, they're right. But while everyone's panicking, a small group of employees is doing something completely different. They're using AI to do the work of 3 people, make themselves untouchable, and quietly building income streams their managers don't even know exist. This video isn't really about AI. It's about your salary, which, if we're being honest, is a trap, and exactly how to get out of it.
Here's what's actually happening at your job. You get a fixed salary. The company gets all of your time. If you work harder than expected, nobody notices. If you finish early, they don't give you free time. They give you more work. Your salary doesn't reward productivity. It rewards presence. That's the trap. You're not selling your skills. You're selling your hours. And that means your income ceiling is directly tied to the number of hours in your day. Now, what happens when a tool can do part of your job in a third of the time? Suddenly, you have margin. You have results you can point to. And you have leverage. That's what we're building today.
Let's get into it. 5 tools, real workflows, no theory. Tool 1, Claude or ChatGPT for writing and reporting. Every report, email, proposal, and summary you write, you can cut the time by 60 to 70% if you learn to prompt correctly. The difference isn't in asking it to write a report. It's in saying, you are a senior consultant. Write a concise, persuasive briefing for a non-technical executive. 3 key points, no jargon, lead with the recommendation. That gap between a generic prompt and a specific one is the difference between output you're embarrassed to share and output that makes you look like the smartest person in the room.
Tool 2, Notion AI or ClickUp AI for task management. You should never start a workday asking yourself what to do. These tools let you structure your week, auto-prioritize your tasks, and generate summaries of ongoing projects automatically. People who use this well consistently finish in 6 hours what others take 9 to complete. That's not a small edge. That's a different category.
Tool 3, Perplexity for research. Any competitive analysis, market research, or data gathering you do, Perplexity delivers sourced, accurate results in 2 minutes instead of 2 hours. That time you used to spend digging, that becomes thinking time. And thinking is the one thing that actually differentiates you.
Tool 4, Zapier or Make for automation. Simple rule. If you're doing the same task more than 3 times a week, it should be automated forever. Status updates, data entry, recurring reports, you build it once and it runs forever. One manager I know automated 6 hours of weekly admin work using a single Zapier workflow. 6 hours. Every single week.
Tool 5, Gamma or Canva AI for presentations instead of 3 hours. Not just faster, genuinely better looking than what most people produce manually. Because presentation quality affects how your ideas are received. That's not shallow, that's reality.
Now here's the part nobody talks about. Why would you tell your manager you're finishing faster? You wouldn't. That time is yours. So what do you do with it? Option 1, freelance in your own field. If you write, analyze, design, or strategize for your company, other companies will pay for that too. Price your time, create a profile on Upwork or Fiverr, and start with 1 project. That's it, 1 project. Option 2, sell a specific skill. Prompt engineering, AI workflow consulting for small businesses, helping other professionals set up the exact systems you've built. All of that has real market value right now, and the market is still early. Option 3, build an audience around what you do. LinkedIn alone is enough. Publishing your real professional experience consistently, not generic advice, your actual work, opens doors that cold applications never will. Clients, partnerships, opportunities you didn't go looking for. You don't need all 3. Pick one and go deep.
If you decide to stay at your job, and that's a completely valid choice, what you've built gives you a real negotiating position. Not
I work hard and deserve more. This. Over the past 2 months, I delivered X and Y ahead of schedule and produced Z result. I've restructured how I work in a way that's generated measurable output for the team. I'd like to talk about what that's worth. Numbers talk. Specifics talk. Feelings don't. And now you have the numbers. 2 types of people are going to watch this video. People who will say, that was interesting, and go back to exactly what they were doing. And people who will pick one tool from this list, just one, and actually try it this week. The difference between them isn't intelligence. It's not even skill. It's just the decision to move. Your salary isn't your ceiling. It's your starting point. What's your next step? Tell me in the comments. And if this gave you something useful, subscribe. Because the next video is about building a complete side income stream from scratch, step by step. I'll see you there.